The topic of today's video is how to fix Google Drive quota exceeded or limit reached. So let's say that this is the file that we're trying to get, but too many people have downloaded this file already and we gotta wait, I think it's something like 24 hours. Here's an oldie but a goodie, so do consider liking and subscribing, and let's get into the video. So let's go into our Google Drive. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a new folder, and let's just give it any name you want, anything that you'll remember. And when you're done naming, hit create. And now we're going to go back to the file we want to download, click on the three little dots, go to organize, and then we're going to go here to our random file, and we are just going to click on move. Okay, this is just because I've made the file private. So if the file is private, just do keep this in mind, but I'm pretty sure this is for a public file. So I'm just going to click on move. All right, so now that that's done, all we're going to do is go back to our drive, and we are going to click on these little dots here, and we're going to download our file. And that'll start zipping up. And once it's done zipping, let's check our download here, and there it is, and inside it is the file we need to download. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.